Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how I draw these hyperrealistic lips with Derwent Lightfast pencil. At first I am starting with stabilizing my page. Now I will start drawing with Apsara 4H pencil. Now the outline of the drawing is done. I am start filling with light pink color. I will cover the lip with light pink color. After light pink color, I am adding some dark pink in this drawing. In this drawing, I used Derwent Lightfast pencil and PRITHA'S color pencils. After adding first layer, I am adding some second layer in several areas. I am adding some dark pink in some areas to show up some darkness. I am adding some red in this area. Now adding some orange. Now I am adding some browns to show up some depth on this drawing. Now I am adding some white with Apsara glass marking white pencil. Now I am adding third layer of orange. Adding some more whites in these lips to pop up some highlighted area. Adding some browns in dark areas. Again I am adding white. Now I am start highlighting the highlighted area to make it glossy. Now adding some dot with the white gel pen for make it glittery. Now I start filling color in teeth. I am filling with ash color, it's light ash color, and some white. Adding highlight in teeth. Filling the darkest area of this lip. Now started filling color in another teeth. Now I start filling color in upper lips. Now you can see the actual speed of my drawing. I am using same way. Adding some depth, adding some highlights. In this side of the lip, I am adding highlight with erasing the color. And after that, adding some white in it. On the other side, I am again removing some color with the eraser. I am done with filling color in this lip. Now the time to add some highlights. This is my white gel pen. I am adding highlight with that white gel pen. Adding highlight is the most important part of make a hyper-realistic 3D kind of drawing. Without adding highlight, your drawing will not look as realistic as the original one. Now I am adding dot to show some glittery effect. Now my drawing is almost done. Now my drawing is completely done. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell notification icon to get notified whenever I upload any video. And if you want to watch more videos like that, then you can watch my previous uploaded video. Thanks for watching. Bye.